Good morning from Motorbike Trails. It's a Sunday morning again and we are out on a ride. But today we got a little late for the ride. It's 6:45 a.m. That is the meeting point which was supposed to be. We were supposed to meet the other riders at 6 a.m. there. But we got late. The riders have moved on ahead. We are riding towards Talasari and the plan is to go to Narghol Beach, and we have a delayed start at least by 45 minutes now, but we intend to catch up with the other riders. Let's see how this goes. It's 7:35 a.m. and we've just reached the second toll. Where are my people? There they are. So sorry yaar, so sorry. और गुड यार भाई.
At last में सोने को मिला.
भाई लॉन्ग टाइम.
है ना राइड इनकम्प्लीट है भाई. तो कितना भी लेट है मगर आज
So we've caught up with the group now and we've started from the second toll, the Charoti toll, and now we are going towards Parsi Dairy Farm. There has been some change in plan. Earlier we had planned to go to Narghol Beach, but we are no longer going to the beach now. We'll be going to Parsi Dairy Farm for breakfast instead. It's a good 30 odd kilometers from here still, and the weather is quite pleasant. It's 21 degrees now. There is some considerable traffic on the roads, but quite pleasant overall. And we've reached Parsi Dairy Farm now, and there are some bikers here already. This place? So we are here at Parsi Dairy Farm. It's a very authentic Parsi joint, very nicely made. Earlier we used to go to Parsi the Dhaba, which used to serve vegetarian and non-vegetarian food both. But now that has closed down, and you have the Parsi Dairy Farm here, which is still operational, but which serves only vegetarian food. A good place nevertheless. And we've done with our breakfast, and now we are gearing up to head home. We'll be taking a quick halt here. That's the Virar toll. We are on our way home. We'll be taking a quick refreshment break. And we are back in Mumbai. It's 11 a.m. It has been a very brisk highway ride. It was a fun ride. It's not getting hot yet. It shows 34 degrees, but it's quite pleasant. We should be home in another 15 minutes. Until the next ride, stay safe, take care, keep riding.